Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to backup Google Photos to external hard drive. So as you can see, we are on our photos.google.com and we want to export our files in our external folder. So for that reason we need to create here a new folder that will be like Google Photos. So here we will store our images in our computer, Google Photos. So once we create an photos, we need to visit on our takeout.google.com. so once we visit here, we need to click on deselect all. You can see we already have some selected options, so that for reason we need to click on deselect all. Once we click on deselect all, then scroll down and check only Google Photos. So when you scroll down, you will find out option for Google Photos. So find out the one Google Photos. Yeah, you can see we already get our Google Photos option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you have the option for customize your backup. So just click over here. All photos album will be included in that platform. So you can see our have photos and editable photos content in each album. So once you click over here, you need to scroll down again and you will find out further more option, like click over here next step. Once you click over here, we have the next option that will be choose file type, frequency and destination. So for that reason we need to change our transfer destination, like we can choose whatever we want, like add to drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, add to Box. Then we can make it default send download link by email. Then we can change the frequency, export once or export every 2 months or 1 year. Second, we can make the file type default zip. Then create export button. Once we click over here, then we have this option export 1 to 6 will start on May 8 to 25. It will take an hour or a day. It totally depend on file size. So you need to wait to get the mail. Then once you get the mail on your Gmail account, let's check that did we get any email that place or not. So we already get an email here. So archive or Google data schedule for you are getting this email because an archive of your Google data has been scheduled. So once the file uploading has been, or I mean the exporting has been completed, then we will get this on kind of a mail where we need to download those email, and we can easily make our external hardware to store our photos. So the process is really easy, so we can easily backup Google Photos to our external hard drive by using this formula. So I hope this guideline will help you throughout the process if you using this external hardware option. So I hope this video will help you. If this video will help you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.